Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel app. Today we are going to learn about divide function in Excel. Divide function is nothing but see separating values into equal parts. Let's say we have a group 1 and it consists of 5 members, and the price we have given to group 1 is 15,000. 15,000 has been sanctioned to group 1 and the group consists of 5 members. We need to know the share per person. Each individual how much he should be getting. For this we will be using easiest formula in Excel, which is division. We'll put up equal to function. Now 15,000 is the lump sum amount which needs to be get divided in 5 members. We'll put by function. We'll select this 5, which is H7. We'll press enter now. See, 3000 is the share of one person in group 1. Like this, we'll be copying the same thing down here. Now we'll press Ctrl C, Shift plus down arrow to copy the first formula to the entire column. Now we will press Ctrl V, which is paste option. See, group 2 consists of 10 members and the price we have sanctioned to them is 20,000. Each individual must be getting 2,000. Same with group 3 4,000, group 4 2 1200, group 5 1300. See, this is the easiest form you will be knowing. Thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel.